to my garden. It is February and the garden is slowly waking up. The days are getting longer and flowers start to appear. At this time of the year I cherish every flower as a treasure. Last year I have added lots of hellebores that started flowering again. These are my absolute favorite winter flowers and they come in many shapes and colors, but I particularly like the double varieties. These are the hellebores that I grew in a pot for Christmas and are now flowering in the garden. I noticed some mold at the bottom of the stems of the hellebores and the stems rot and die. I'm not sure what to do about it, so if anyone knows, please let me know and leave a comment. I want to add some spring color to my potting table and I needed moss to cover the bulbs in pots, so I headed to the garden center. I went for pale yellows of primroses, bridal crown daffodils and violas. I'm adding some moss to hide the plastic container. I think the colors work very well together, all pale yellows and greens, and the primroses have a very sweet scent. I must admit I was never a huge fan of yellow, but I love these pale yellow tones in spring as they mix very well with the vibrant greens once the leaves unfold. It gives a more soft feeling than whites, and for me that is what spring is about, softness. The soft awakening of nature and the softness of colors and light. growing daffodils in containers. These are a variety called Ice King, and it is also a pale yellow color. I don't like to see bare soil or the plastic container, so I cover it with moss. This also helps prevent mud splashing on the flowers, but most important, it looks nice. I've planted lots of spring bulbs in containers that I will all cover with moss. If you're curious what varieties I'm growing, check out the video that I made about planting bulbs, where I show you all the varieties that I grow. There's not much growing in the vegetable garden at the moment, besides the lettuce that I grow in my little polytunnel. These are lamb's lettuce and rocket, both varieties that can grow in cold conditions and can cope with frost. I've sowed these in October, but you can still sow them now. At the back of my garden I have more hellebores that start to flower, both varieties with double flowers. I must admit they don't look as well as usual. They all have spots on them and I'm not sure what caused the damage. I hope you enjoyed my garden in February. Thank you ever so much for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.